Hi everybody, my name is Elisa Shapiro and I will be your instructor this semester for the Advanced Bookkeeping course. I want to include this quick video to sort of help you get signed on for the first time and give you a quick run through of how the course is designed. So let's look here. You would start to at your Raritan Valley Lions Den sign-on page where you sign on with your G number and your password. Once you log in, and here is the address, it would be lumpserve.raritanval.edu. You would scroll down the page till you see this Canvas portal. And that's how you would enter into Canvas. You'd have to sign on once more with your G number and password. Then you'd be on your home page of Canvas, and that is where our course is held. You are going to see a course which looks just like this on your dashboard. That's our bookkeeping course. Okay. Click on it to get into the course, and you'll be brought immediately to the home page. All right. It'll be a quick introduction here from me, so I encourage you to read through this. Then, to navigate the rest of the course throughout the semester, you're really going to do so over here from our navigation menu through this one item, modules. Okay, so if we click on modules, what you have here, and let me close these up so you can see them for the first time. These are our different topics we're going to be discussing. They're also special assignments. So every topic, every assignment, every exam will have its own module, all within one category. So you're going to start at the top of the page, and the first module here is Getting Started. And I tell you right in the description to go through this module first. So if you click on this small arrow, it will open it up. Right? Getting Started is a page that contains a lot of useful information to help you get started. What do we have here? Certainly read what's included here. I won't do so now. You can do so when you get in the course. But as you go down to these numbered items right here, anything that's underlined is a link. So when you click on this, this is your syllabus. I would open it up, print it out, read it thoroughly, because all our assignments, my course expectations, course rules, things like that are included in here, as well as grading criteria. So keep that handy. I also have some links to the AIPB for a student handbook and a per metric site. Some of you, not all of you, intend to take the National Bookkeeping exam, which this course will help prepare you for. It is not a requirement, but if you do have made that decision to do so, these are some additional resources for you. Lastly, to get started is a link to an introduction discussion board. All right, so if you've taken an online class before, you understand the importance of posting to a discussion board. I have my rules laid out in the syllabus, and throughout Canvas. You will have to make an original post with an original thought, and you will have to respond to your classmates' post as well to receive full credit. All right, so basically your post should be substantive. Your original post should be about 250 words or more, approximately, free from error, contain thoughtful and substantive information. And your response post should be about maybe 100 words or so. Also be free from grammatical errors and have some substance to it. So keep that in mind when you're making the post, because I do not want you to lose points in this area. And this is your discussion board. So when you come on, you will hit reply, you'll make your post, and then you'll be watching for everyone else's post and respond to at least one or two of those people. All right, as we go down, the first topic we're going to be discussing in this course is Mastering Adjusting Entries, and I always abbreviate it MAJE. All right, and I'm telling you here, your original post is due on January 30th, and the response posts, as well as the homework, are due on February 1st. So let's open that up. Okay, you can really navigate everything through this top page here. Okay, so we're going to click on that. Again, it's a lot of information that introduces you to the topic. Once you read through here and you say for Mastering Adjusting Entries, sections 1 through 5, this is actually going to be sections 1 through 8, so I will adjust that. I want you to do the following. So I've included for all the sections 1 through 5 and 6 through 8, the learning objectives, what I intend for you to accomplish once this module is completed. I've asked you next to read the workbook sections following along with the example exercises. And then third, I've included some PowerPoints for you to go through once you've read the workbook. Next, I've directed you that in the workbook there are quizzes at the end of each section. Those are instrumental to your success on the tests, including the national exam. Number 5 is to post in the discussion board. All right, same thing. Remember, your original post has to be made sooner than your response post. So be mindful of those dates, because I will be looking on both due dates to record who has responded and who hasn't. Oh, we lost our place. 1 second. I am going back to mastering adjusting entries. So next on that list, after you post your original discussion to the discussion board, and response discussions, which really is done in conjunction with your homework. So here is the link to your homework. I just corrected that. So if you click on that homework link, a document will be downloaded right down here, as you can see. Okay, open it up. There are problems for every section covered in the Mastering Adjusting Journal Entry Workbook. I'm asking you to do the odd numbers. You can print this out and write answers and scan them and upload them back to me, or you can type on this document and upload that back to me. Either way, you will be able to upload through the homework tab, and that's how I will grade them as well. I cannot show you the gradebook, but I'll talk about that in a minute. So odd numbers for all the homework assignments. So your link to everything you need to do, discussion boards and homeworks, are in the page within each module for within each section. Okay, so this is Mastering Adjusting Journal Entries. Some of the sections, as you can see this one here, I have video recordings. I made these a while ago to help walk you through the lessons. You can stop them, rewind them. They are not terribly long in nature, but they should help you review or understand the subject matter. Not every topic has them, such as payroll and I believe depreciation, or any item that changes regularly. So we're always updating the books, and it would be impractical for me to continue to do new videos every time the IRS or things like that change a law. So for that reason, not every section will have a screencast. Okay, so there's 6 sections in this course. This was the first one, Mastering Adjusting Journal Entries. The next one is Mastering Correction of Accounting Errors. Then down here you will see payroll. Then we cover depreciation. Then we cover inventory and internal controls. Okay, I will close all these up so that looks a little neater for you. But you can expect what I just showed you in Mastering Adjusting Journal Entries. That's what you will see in the other 5 sections. After every 2 sections, you will have, as you see here, a practice exam section. So I have, for each of Mastering Adjusting Journal Entries and Mastering Correction of Accounting Errors, I have developed practice exams. They are untimed and they will not be graded. So I'm encouraging you to use this in preparation for the graded exam. The questions are extremely representative of what you will see on the graded exam, so take advantage of this. But also note that with your practice exams, there's also a required posting to the discussion board for the practice exam. I want everyone to post observations on the exam questions, on maybe you've come up with a shortcut or something you've noticed to help everyone else take this exam successfully. So here is where you would post. And the same discussion posting requirements apply. An original post and a response post. Okay, pay attention to the due dates. Look at your syllabus. Everything is on there, as well as here. So that is your practice test. Once you're done and you feel you've practiced enough, as long as you are done in time to take the graded exams, which are due by, in this case, February 22nd, you move on. And on this page are the links to the actual exams. These exams are timed Every exam is an hour, and you have one attempt only. So please be sure you wisely utilize those practice exams as preparatory tools. Okay, so every 2 sections, a practice exam with a discussion board, and then a graded exam. Then you have your next 2 sections. And here's the practice and discussion board module, and then your graded exam module. So you will get used to this very quickly. It's not that complicated. Our textbooks are a series of 6 workbooks, which are published by the AIPB, American Institute for Public Bookkeepers, and they are available in our school bookstore. Right? I will be on this site daily. I will be answering questions. I will be jumping in, helping you wherever you need help. So please don't hesitate to reach out. One quick last mention, here is your inbox. You will be hearing from me a lot, so check over here to see if you have any email messages. There's a calendar here, which helps you to, all the due dates are posted on the calendar, so pay close attention to that in conjunction with the syllabus. And then lastly, which I can't show you for privacy reasons, but here's your gradebook. So once you have some grades, discussion board assignments, your first grade will be your introduction discussion board. Once I've graded that, you can go here and see your up to the minute grade as it stands. And any questions, of course, reach out. I think that's plenty to get you started. If anyone at any point has any questions, please reach out. I am here to help you guys, and looking forward to a great spring semester. I'll see you soon.